Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the app series. Okay, so in the past, right, we have we have integrated Selenium with GitHub and Selenium with Jenkins and normal job, and also with the pipeline we have executed. Then we integrated Jenkins with Selenium with Docker we tried, and Selenium with Source Lab we tried, and Selenium with Browser Stack we tried. Okay. Now in this particular video, we are going to see how to integrate with BitBucket. Some companies opt for BitBucket. Okay, instead of pushing the code in GitHub, they offer BitBucket or Bamboo. Okay, so Bitbucket is used for storing the code in the repository. Okay, like GitHub, it plays so it is going to store the code in Bitbucket, and we can integrate this with Bamboo. Bamboo is like Jenkins, where it's a CI/CD, where we can execute the code, we can run the code in the server. Okay, so we can integrate with pipeline and we can run through pipeline also. That can be achieved with the help of Bamboo. In this video we are going to see how to push the code in Bitbucket, and next video, if possible, we'll try with the help of adding Bamboo integrating, and then we see how to trigger in a pipeline. Okay, so this is going to be the plan. Okay, some companies opt for GitHub or Jenkins, or some companies opt for GitHub with Azure pipeline also. I've been working with some projects where we integrate the code with the Azure pipeline, but here we are going to see with Bitbucket and the Bamboo. Okay, so for that, first we need to create an account in the Bitbucket. Okay, let me go to Google. Okay, and I'll type Bitbucket login. Okay, so I'll take the first link. I'll click the first link. You try get it free. Okay, so you try get it free. I already have an account. I'm not trying anything. Just give your work email or personal email, and then create a workspace. Okay, give a name it as a some workspace you give, and you click agree and create workspace. A particular account will be created. Okay, after that you can try to log into the account. Okay, so if you try to log into the account, you can directly go to the home page. Okay, so you can, this home page will be there. Okay, then you can click on Bitbucket. Okay, after creating a Bitbucket, you have to create a project first. Okay, for example, I'm just creating one project, right? I need to push some code. Okay, rest assured. Yep. Final, I'll create one project. Okay, then I'll click create project. Okay, so there is one project here. Now we need to create one repository. Okay, so repository we can select from the project API final. Okay, and then we can give rest assured. Okay, now I'll click create. Okay, so now we can see, right, that in the main branch you have an empty repository you have. Okay, now let's go and push the project. Okay, so I would like to push one of the project into my account. Okay, so I have one let us try with two things. One is a registration project, and also with the right uh, Selenium also. Okay, so now let me I have created a repository here. I need to push the code. Okay, for that what I need to do is, I need to go to the Eclipse. Okay, I'll push both at a rest assured and also the Selenium. I'll create a new project and I'll push and show you. Okay, for that you should right click on the project, go to properties. Okay, now we need to go to the path of the location. Okay, and I went to the project in the workspace. I went to the project, I right click on the project, and I open git bash here. Okay, so after I open git bash here, so okay, and right, a terminal would have been opened. Okay, so git base, right, I opened. Then what I need to do is, right, I'll need to follow with some commands. First you are going to push the with the bitbucket with the through a help of git. So git bash should be installed in a machine. This you all should know. Okay, git bash should be installed. Go to Google and download the git bash and install in a machine, and also git also. Okay, so right, I'll give git init. Okay, next I first initialized an empty repository here. Then what I did is, right, git I add dot means it will take everything. Okay, it will take all the files. Okay, then what I'll do is, right, and after that it's going to replace right with the empty one with all things. Okay, now I'm going to give git, okay, commit. I'm going to commit the message. Okay, next one is hyphen m. Okay, I'll give an right commit message, right, rest assured commit. Okay, I'm going to give it. Okay, so all the files will be committed here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, right, I'm going to go to the remote right repository, right, remote add origin. Okay, we need to give the github url. For that you go to clone. Okay, copy the url alone. Don't copy the clone command, just copy the url alone. Okay, I'll just paste here. Okay, now we did. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, right, I'm going to try to right switch to the right branch, main branch. Okay, now I'll give git, okay, branch. I'm just telling, just put in the main branch. Okay, hyphen m. Okay, just put the code in the switch to the main branch. Okay, now I'm going to give git. I'm going to push the code. Okay, push origin main. Okay, I'm going to push the code. Okay, it's telling there's an error message coming. Okay, let's try one thing. Okay, jet. Okay, pull. Okay, hyphen rebase origin. I'm just going to rebase the origin. Okay, now I'll push it. Okay, now let us go and check in the right code. Let me refresh it, and you can see all the files has been stored here. Okay, you can see, right, 22 seconds ago all the rest assured code has been committed here. Okay, let me just for a comfortable, right, let me push the selenium project also. Okay, let me create a repository. Okay, okay, selenium bitbucket. Okay, Let me create this repository, cell name Bitbucket. Okay, let us push the code here. Okay, so what I'll do is I will create one project. I already have a project, but I'll create from the start. Okay, maven maven project, create a simple project. These things, basic things, you should know. Okay, demo Bitbucket. These things I'm just doing it fast, but these things and all basic things you should know. Okay, I've already have a pom.xml. I'll just copy it and I'll paste here. Okay, we already pushed the rest treasure. Let us try with the send name also. Okay, so I'll just created this one. I'm going to update it. Okay, let me create a package, demo Bitbucket. Okay, I'll just create one class, test case. I'm not going to write the code and waste the time here. I'm just going to copy the code from my previous project and I'm going to paste here. Okay, this is going to check the title of the Google page. Okay, these are all basic things. Cell name WebDriver Manager for downloading the Chrome driver, the latest driver, and I just created a WebDriver instance for using the object and calling the methods. Okay, now what I'll do is 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, now there is a simple code which I wrote. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll change this, and we are not going to concentrate on the execution. Okay, I'm just concentrating only on pushing the code. Okay, so what I'll do is let us go to the path of that. We're not worrying about the concentration of execution of the code. Just we are going to see a demo, whether this can be pushed in Bitbucket or not. So, okay, don't worry about the errors and all. Okay, now let me go to the path again, as I told you previously. Okay, go to the path. Okay, right click on that, git bash here. Okay, then same we should do it. Okay, so like last time we did, same thing we are going to try here. Okay, git init initializing the repository. Okay, git add. Okay, dot for initializing, for adding everything. Then git commit. Okay, I minus hyphen m. Okay, then write demo. Okay, then I'm just committed. Okay, now I'm going to write do is we are going to say give the remote. Okay, I'm going to switch it to remote. Git remote. Okay, add origin. origin and the repository URL. You have to go and copy, take the repository. You have to click clone, then you have to take the repository. Okay, leave the clone, just take only from the HTTPS. Okay, copy it and you paste it. Okay, so it should be fine. Okay, now we have to write, navigate to the branch, right? Main branch. Okay, hyphen m main. Okay, now we are going to write to push. Okay, git push. We are going to do a force push, so I'm giving you. Okay, origin main. Okay, let me rebase it. Okay, didn't push it. Okay, git pull hyphen rebase origin main. Okay, now let's try the push one. Okay, okay, so this has been right. Now we should go and see the repository. Let me close it, refresh it. See, now we can get the code. Okay, we can add a right YAML file, pipeline file also, right, for executing running through pipeline. Okay, so for that, what we need to do is, right, we should keep in the repository, root repository, and create a file. Okay, file should be BitBucket. Okay, hyphen pipeline dot YAML. Okay, so we can add this right in the repository and trigger from the pipeline. Already have one right YAML file. I'm just copying it and pasting here. So that should be kept in the root repository. So this is going to have an image. This going to download the image from the Docker. Okay, Maven 3.8 and the JDK 17, and we are going to set a pipeline. First, a default set pipeline run selenium test on the Chrome. For that, you are going to trigger Maven clean test, and it's going to print the check the title of the page. Okay, so that we'll do. And then we have two branches on the main branch and development branch. In the main branch step, it's going to deploy the code in the production, and it's going to print it's been deployed or not. Okay. Next, in the next development branch, run the test in the staging, right? Then print it whether it's executed in the staging or not. Okay, like that you are going to right, create one pipeline file in the project that you are going to push the code in the BitBucket, that can be triggered with the BitBucket. Okay, then that can be integrated with the Bamboo through the pipeline is going to execute from the code. Okay, so this is how, this is the first step to right, integrate with the pipeline. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Continue to follow the series. Right, slowly we'll practice the Bamboo also and run to the pipeline also. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Meet you soon in the next part of video. Bye.